Today we're checking out something huge, and I mean literally and figuratively. The UGREEN PB205, a 25,000 milliamp hour monster with 145 watts of power packed inside. So let's get into the unboxing, the charging test, and see if this beast is worth adding to your everyday carry. Alright, let's pop this thing open. UGREEN ships it in a nice, simple box. Inside, you get the star of the show, the PB205 power bank itself, plus a USB-C to USB-C cable. They actually throw in a 100-watt cable here, which is a nice touch if you want to push big power right out of the box. You'll also find a soft carry pouch to help keep this tank from getting scratched up in your backpack, and a little instruction booklet. But let's be real, you're here for the hardware, so let's check that out. First impressions? This is a unit. 25,000 milliamp hours means it's got some heft. It clocks in at about 500 grams, or roughly 17 ounces. So not pocketable, but still perfectly reasonable to toss in a bag. The finish looks solid, with a space gray matte style, and I like the rubber grip on the bottom that helps stop it sliding around on slick surfaces. There's a 2-digit display right here to show you the charge level, and on the side, you've got 3 ports, 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. So you can run a laptop, a phone, and another device all at once, which is awesome. Now let's talk numbers. This thing can push up to 145 watts total. If you plug into the USB-C one port alone, you'll get up to 140 watts, which is enough to fast charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro from dead to around 56% in just 30 minutes. It supports super fast charging 2.0 for Samsung, so your Galaxy S24 or even the S25 can get topped up crazy quick. It'll handle iPhone 16, 15, 14, all those, plus iPads, Chromebooks, Dell XPS, HP Spectre, and even stuff like the Steam Deck. Capacity-wise, 25,000 milliamp hours means you could recharge a smartphone about 5 times, or a laptop roughly once and a third, depending on what you're using. Recharging the bank itself, that's handled with up to 65 watts input, which means you can refill the PB205 from 0 to full in about 2 hours with the right charger. Though that 65W wall charger is not included, so you'll want to grab one if you don't already have one lying around. Alright, let's put this beast to work. First up, I plugged in the MacBook Pro on the USB-C 1 port, and right away, it was pulling a rock-solid 100 watts, which is awesome for working on the go. Next, I connected the Asus Zenbook 14 on the second USB-C port, and it held up around 65 watts without any fuss. At the same time, I threw in the Galaxy S24 on the USB-A port, and it kicked right into super fast charging 2.0. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Then I plugged in the iPhone 15, swapping it onto the second USB-C port, and no problem there either. It pulled fast charging speeds while the MacBook was still sipping power. What about pass-through? I had the PB205 recharging itself at 65 watts from the wall, and while it was topping itself up, it was still powering the Galaxy S24 at full speed, with 0 interruptions when I unplugged and plugged back in. That's a big win if you're stuck in one wall outlet, but still need to keep working. For smaller stuff like earbuds or a smartwatch, you can use trickle charging on the USB-A port to avoid frying their tiny batteries. Just keep in mind that trickle mode only works when the USB-C ports aren't being used, and only if you're not charging the bank at the same time. So how does this fit in with your day-to-day? Look, if you travel, camp, or even just commute a lot, having a bank this strong means you can leave the outlet behind and stay charged for days. I've seen a lot of power banks top out at 100 watts. This one's hitting 145, and that really future-proofs you if you upgrade to a laptop that wants more juice down the road. The only downside? I wish the bank itself could recharge at 100 watts instead of 65, but hey, 65 watts is still fast, and honestly a bit easier on battery health long-term. So who is this for? If you've got a MacBook, a Dell XPS, an iPhone 16, or a Galaxy S25, or even a gaming handheld like the Steam Deck or ROG Ally, and you hate seeing that low battery warning, the UGREEN PB205 is a solid pick. You're getting huge power, crazy fast charging, 3 ports to keep everything happy, and a pretty sleek design that's easy to carry in a bag. The only thing missing might be wireless charging. But if you can live with cables, this thing is a total workhorse. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button. And if you're into chargers, power banks, or just cool gear, hit subscribe because there's plenty more where this came from. Any questions about the PB205? Drop them in the comments. I'll try to answer everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.